Worthless Mutts here. I'm in the grocery store doing my thing, standing in line, and I come upon this. Yes, that's correct. Apparently, it is paper towels with a ugly mutt on the packaging. Ladies and gentlemen, this dog culture is going from bad to worse. Again, the more I get into it, is the more I see these things. And again, I wasn't even looking for this. I'm on a little break and I wasn't looking for any dogs. And I come upon this thing. I, for one, would not buy this only due to this ugly thing on the packaging. So there you have it once again. Dog culture being so desperate to sell these and to promote these ugly, worthless mutts. Look how ugly it is. Look at its head. The head's like demented. How come no one has ever mentioned how demented or dented their heads are? Then you wonder why these things are so aggressive and so deadly. Their brains are probably not as, healthy as the Pitbull lovers want to assume they are. Once again, dog culture is getting worse. I'll leave it there. This is the worth